Hey everyone! Did you know that when you use electricity, it can change how much you pay? If you're a SMUD customer or a similar utility company, using power during peak hours can cost way more. Let me show you how you can cut your bill just by shifting when you run things. My utility company, which I use, has something called time-of-day rates. That means your electricity costs vary depending on what time of day and what season you use it. For example, during the summer, June 1st to September 30th, peak hours are 5 to 8 p.m., when rates are significantly higher, approximately 35 cents per kilowatt hour. Off-peak is much cheaper, especially late night, early morning, or on weekends and holidays. 2. Why does this matter? Why bother? Because appliances draw a lot of electricity. AC, dishwashers, dryers, and water heaters used during peak hours drive up the cost fast. Even bumping the AC up a few degrees during peak hours makes a difference. Showers during peak also adds up. You can take a shower anytime, just don't between 5 and 8 p.m. weekdays. 3. Tips to save. Run big appliances off-peak. Dishwasher, washer, or dryer, run them at night or early morning, or whenever the rate is low. Adjust the AC thermostat during peak. Between 5 to 8 p.m., raise the temperature a few degrees. Just 2 to 3 degrees will make a difference. It might be uncomfortable for a little while, but it's worth the savings. It's only 3 hours. Use timers, smart plugs, or a smart assistant. Set timers so devices don't run during peak hours. A smart thermostat helps. Avoid showers or washers. Anything that uses hot water. Hot water during peak times. Especially if you have an electric water heater. This will run up your bill fast. 4. Check your utility company if you don't have SMUD, for weekends or holidays, and off-peak periods. SMUD treats weekends and certain holidays as off-peak all day. Same for other utility companies. Check their schedule. 5. How to find your rates and plan accordingly. If you're unsure what your peak and off-peak schedule is, check SMUD's website under Residential Rates, Time of Day, 5 to 8 p.m. rate. Or check the website of the company you are with. For other utility companies, find their time of use or time of day rates. Get a copy of the pricing by hour and by season. It's small tweaks, but over time those changes add up. Shift your schedule and save. 6. SMUD rates as of September 2025. Summer, June 1st to September 30th. Peak 5 to 8 p.m. is 36 cents per kilowatt hour. Mid-peak, noon to 5 p.m. and 8 to midnight, and off-peak, night to early morning, are much cheaper. Non-summer months. Peak hours, 5 to 8 p.m., are 17 cents, and off-peak hours are 13 cents per kilowatt hour. Holidays and weekends often get off-peak rates all day. If this information was helpful, drop a like. Share this with someone who hates high bills and wants ways to cut those bills. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you can shift in your schedule this week? See you in the next video!